Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your most played games on your PlayStation 5 in terms of hours. So you can see how many thousands of hours you spent playing. So on the home screen here, let's go up to top to our profile. Go to profile. Now go to games. Then going down, and you want to go to the left. Go to sort and filter. Go to most played. Now this will display the most played games on the top. So we have Call of Duty Modern Warfare, 2,220 hours. Then we have Black Ops 4, 1,189. Then we have Call of Duty, 1,188. So I played a lot of Call of Duty. Elder Scrolls Online was very good too. I got about 1,000 hours. Fortnite, 719. Rocket League, 634. That was a very good game. Then Grand Theft Auto, 611. Battlefield 4, 371. Black Ops 3, 354, and it goes down. Destiny 2, Planetside was kind of fun. And then we got Minecraft PS4 edition, Battlefield 1, Elden Ring was really good, 148 or 146. So yeah, just look through here and you can see your most played games. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.